Hi everyone, so today we're going to crochet a simple and cute bow. So the size of your bow will depend on the yarn and the hook size you use. For example, a smaller hook will make a smaller bow while a larger hook will make a larger bow. Today I'll be using a 5mm crochet hook and medium weight yarn, but you can adjust this on the size that you want. I'm using medium weight yarn from Hobbycraft. This project will be split up into 3 parts. In part 1, I'll be crocheting the loops of the bow. So start off by creating a slip knot. To do this, cross over the yarn to create an X shape. Then pass the working yarn through the loop to create the slip knot. Insert your hook and pull tight. Now we're going to chain 25 stitches. To do this, yarn over and pull through. That's your first chain. Carry on for 25. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Once you've completed the chain of 25, we're going to join the chain in a loop with a slip stitch. You can see on the diagram on the right, we're going to insert our hook into the first stitch next to the slip knot. So this is the first chain that you completed. Then yarn over and pull through. As you can see, we now have a loop. Be careful not to twist the chain as you're creating the loop. Now for the first row, chain 1, then skip this first chain and insert your hook into the next stitch and create a single crochet. Complete the round with single crochets. Row 2 is similar, just single crochet to the end of the round. Row 3 is again another round of single crochets. Row 4, continue with the single crochets till the end of the round. And lastly, row 5, single crochet to the end of the round, then fasten off. Now we're finished with the loop section of our bow. We've crocheted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To fasten off, pull your loop through, cut the yarn, pull the loose yarn through the loop and tighten it. For part 2 of this tutorial, we'll be creating the tails of the bow. So start off by creating your slip knot similarly to how you did before, then chain 25. For the first row, we're going to crochet single crochets. Insert your hook into the second stitch away from your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. That's your first single crochet. Continue the single crochets till the end of the row. For row 2, we're going to do another row of single crochets. So chain 1, turn your work, then insert your hook into the first stitch, skipping the chain, and single crochet. Single crochet till the end of the row. Row 3, we do the same, so chain 1, turn your work, and single crochet to the end of the row. Now this is the last row for the tails of the bow, row 4. We chain 1, turn our work, and single crochet to the end of the row. Now to fasten off this piece of the work, pull the loop loosely, then cut the yarn and pass this loose yarn through the loop, then pull tight. Now we have two pieces. In part 1, we created the loops of the bow. Here we have the loop with an extra tail that we'll use to construct the bow. And then in part 2, we created the tails of the bow. Now in part 3, we'll build the bow. So firstly, take the tail part of the bow, fold it in half, and pinch it in the middle. Then take the loop parts of the bow and place that on top of where we pinched. Now take that extra long piece of yarn that we left and wrap it around the middle of the bow to join the two pieces together. Wrap it quite tightly and use your fingers to adjust the pieces of the bow as you go. Make sure it's even and sits how you'd like. To fasten this piece off, wrap the yarn around your finger to create a loop, then pass the loose end through this loop and pull tight. This will create a knot. Now that you've created the bow, you can use it for anything you like. You can use it for a keychain, a hair tie, a bow for your hair, an applique, whatever it might be. For my case, I'm going to make it a keychain for my bag. I've got all this hardware and I've created a small loop on top of the bow that I'm going to attach it to. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed it.